Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make a copper lamp in Minecraft. Start by mining copper ore, smelting ingots, and placing a crafting table near your build area. Next, design a lamp frame using copper blocks and space for redstone wiring. Add a lantern or glowstone as the light source and test power with a lever or daylight sensor. Finally, polish the exterior by using lightning rods to create a weathered copper finish. Follow these concise build steps to assemble your copper lamp quickly and cleanly. Start with a sturdy 3x3 copper base, then raise corner pillars to frame the lamp. Route redstone dust from a power source along a hidden channel with repeaters to maintain signal strength. Position your chosen light source in the center and cap the top with copper slabs. Test the circuit and flip the lever to ensure reliable lighting. If you're enjoying the tutorial, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for quality socks that come with a lifetime warranty, perfect for long building sessions or outdoor mining trips. I love the comfort and durability, so check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. These design tips will help your copper lamp look professional and fit any build. Mix slabs and stairs to create smooth curves and avoid blocky shapes while keeping the silhouette neat. Blend polished copper with oxidized copper to create depth and tell a subtle aging story on the lamp surface. Conceal redstone wiring under carpets or behind walls to preserve aesthetics, and add small decorative elements like trapdoors for extra charm.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.